This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we will discuss what is filter, how we can use filter, and how it is useful in our programming. Okay, so what do you mean by filter in general sense? Anyone? So use of filter.
Particular type of data.
Why data? I'm thinking in general term.
So if you want any particular type of data,
Filter has characteristics that it only allows to be passed on for which it is being created. Yes, you know about the चाय छन्नी. तो फिल्टर का मीन्स है कि जिस चीज के लिए वो बनाए गए हैं केवल उन्हीं को अलाउड करे और सभी चीजों को रोक दे. दैट इज लाइक कॉमन सेंस फॉर फिल्टर. इट इज जस्ट अलाउिंग ओनली दोज allows to be passed for which it is being created. So filter out only those in case of technical sense, filter out only those records which pass the criteria. Other records will be moved to filtered buffer. Like when we all records are in primary buffer. Like you have 10 records, then you apply filter, and 3 records doesn't pass your filter criteria, then 3 records moved to filter buffer, and you can say 7 records into primary buffer. Make sense? So what are the common functionality for filtering in Power Builder? So data window has two functions: data window dot set filter, and here is the filter criteria, and then data window dot filter. It will filter out the records. Now let's see how it will work. So let me show this. Like for the tab, we want to be on tab. Yes, let's do on tab. Or here, let's filter out this part. Okay, now go to the expense management, this one, and let's create a filter for this. Create a button here, and I'm saying filter. What I need to do here, first I need to set a filter for this data window dot set filter, and uh, string ls filter, and just not allowing anything, like, and then set dw expense dot set filter, and then filter. Okay. Let's see what we need to filter. We are saying if expense value greater than 1000, everything here 5000, you can say 5000, that should be filter. Okay, so what is the column for expense value? This one, the name of column equal to this one. Create a string that says what says expense value should be greater than 5000. So what I'm doing here, I'm creating a filter that is expression is that expense value greater than 5000 and applying that filter into my data window and then filtering out the record. Let's see it's work or not. So here is only one record that is less than 5000, less than or equal to 5000. We need all record that is more than 5000. So what is expecting here, that this record need to be moved. First one, look. Okay, anything? Hello, hello, hello. No. Okay. So if you are any question, you can raise. So expense value, like I'm putting 25, more than 25. So only those records that are more than 25 will be in primary buffer, other is being moved to filter buffer. So only primary buffer data will be displayed here. Now, how we can remove the filter? The same thing we need to write if we want to remove the filter. What I need to do? Remove filter. Just blank out and then apply. Like we add filter, and if we want to remove filter, look, those records are here. Add, remove, add, remove. Any question? No.
No, sir.
If you need any filter, like user want to give filter, or you can say I need a filter from user. User can provide filter. I need, then what I need to do, just need to set this null, set null and apply this. Then it will populate a screen for user and user can apply. That is not recommended, but that should be. Look, specify filter. So it is like a development type of screen, and I'm saying where mode of which one, expense value 15 equal to 0. Verify filter is okay, we can apply. All is gone. Why? because nothing is matching this criteria. Mode of expense value will 10 equal to 0. Everything will be matching me. Correct? So you can also write the some expression here, or you can write the simple values here, like expense value less than or equal to 5000. Verify. Okay. If you want to remove that filter, remove filter. Then look, if you remove something, you will not be able to get from here. Otherwise, less than equal to 5000, verify. Next time if you look, that the same filter will be available for you, but after removing, that filter is not be available for you. So you can use this type of functions if you want. Year, expense date equal to 2024, verify. Yes. So one date is 2023, that will be removed. So you can say year, or you can say month also. Month of date equal to 2, only February. So this way filter can work, and maybe much more. I can say expense value less greater than and equal to 5000, and month of expense date equal to 2, verify, apply. So only the February will be available here. Okay. So any question till now? So this is like expression. So you need to make expression first, and then you need to apply that expression in the set filter. So like I have already copied that expression. So it should be copy, and then I can apply.
Sir, after filtering out, if we will save the changes, then those changes will be removed from database also.
No, that means the record that are in filtered buffer doesn't impact anything in database, because you have not deleted it. It is just for showing data, just for some set of data. You have filter out something just for your purpose. Nothing insert, delete or update, nothing will happen.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so now let's create this time what we have done, we are filtering out all records based on fixed values, this one and this one. Now let's create one, I can say, let me make it big, two SLEs here. One is for value, first we'll create for value and name it SLE value and none. Okay, and make it filter here. So what we need, we'll get value from SLE and then we'll filter out the record based on value. So here what we need to set this 2500 from the value. Let string ls value, and how we can get this ls value equal to SLE value dot text. So it will also a string. Now go to the set filter. What is the best way to get this? Set filter method and specify the filter criteria, read about this, and here you can see some example. Get this example. What it is saying? It is saying that your column name and then your variable name. So your column name is expense value. Here is one glitch, I'll show you. Okay, and because you need to make a proper string, so that's why these double quotes, single quotes, double quotes, single quote, to make a string. You can say greater than and equal to. Let's try it will work or not. I can say 5000. Let me filter. Expression type must match. That means the value of here is string and here is number. So let me make it string. Let's see. $5,000. It is working but not as expected. Maybe. What I have given. Value greater than and equal to 5000, but it is working because of and I think I need to put it here like this because I should match the data type. No, cannot. What it is saying? There is something wrong. Let's see the set filter again. So the basic idea is like uh, 1 minute.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So let's see how it is working. Expense value should be greater than or equal to this value. But this is, we need to convert into something. Okay. I'll check this, and what you need go to the set filter function, and you need a proper syntax for set filter string. If you have a proper syntax, then it will work and it will filter out. Okay. So I have already shown to you the case where you example set the filter expression internal which causes power builder to display the specify filter dialog also. Then it calls filter which applies the filter expression to the user specified. Okay. So this is like a more basic for practice, and if you do practice for filtering expression, that will be easy for you. This time I am also confused here. And for the date we can also like for date for uh, many more for cumulative sum also. I think for compute one also we can add express filter. So this is filter, and the same way sorting will work. So here you can say the function set sort and function sort dw under dot set sort and then dw dot sort. That will also work. Let me show you how. I can create one method here for set sort. What we want to sort something based on column value, and the column name is expense date. So string ls sort, and then same way as we are using in filter, we can copy the same. We can use the sort. Here we can say let it remove from here, set sort, and then sort. And in set sort also you need to specify one string. You can say sort. How? So it's simple one from filtering one. Filter is sometimes confusing, but so here how we can pass it either number of column or the name of column, like this. A or D. A means ascending, D means descending. Either ASC, either DESC, either AS, either DS. Okay, so we can use the first this one. That means the column name. Here is no impact on data type. everything will be work in the same way. ASC, then set sort and sort. Again, copy the same. We can say sort ascending. We can say sort descending. And here we will say DESC. Let's see how it works. So it's ascending, it will sort out the records. It's descending, it will also sort out in the descending manner. And the same way as Power Builder gives this screen, set sorts also can be used like this. We can name it user sort. What we need to do, just need to make it null. Set null is a function to make any variable null. Here sort this descending. If you want this, you will get one sorting. Ascending, you need more, you can apply more, you will get the impact. Expression is not valid, sort statement is invalid. Why? Maybe oh, why column name is not valid, so it's here. Column name was not proper in that case. Expense value can make it. Look, this is creating it is a bug into the system. Like it is expecting descending as a column here, but that is not a column. Make sense? Any confusion till now? So you need to do a practice for this. Any question for sorting and filtering?
Sir, how can we make it sorting by clicking on that column without using these buttons?
Yes, that is a big question. So what they do, they generally write when we need to active this type of functionality. Look, this is expand date underscore t, so we can identify which column is being sorted out and what is the current sorting applied. So over the click we can use it for this column for sorting and for ascending and descending. Let's try. In the click event, if row equal to 0, then that means header is being clicked. What you need to get, you need to get the name of object, string ls column name. How you can get? dwo dot name. Dwo is where it is being clicked. it's a already a object here, data window object DWO. So it says it will give you the name, uh, and if, and let me show you the what we need to do. Equal to mid means middle, same column from 1 to position of, position is also one function, string function. Position of the string 1 to string 2. So for string 1, what is string 1? Column, and string 2 is that t, and I think -1. That will give me a name of proper column, and then I can apply this sorting by the name. Let me call this. So what I need to do, I need to add this ls column, and if I can get what is current sorting for this column is applied, that will be good. Otherwise, for now I am just putting ASC space and ASC. No, because sort is not available here. Now how we can get it is okay or not? Debug, just go to here, clear a breakpoint, add a breakpoint here, insert breakpoint, go to the debug, here let me click here. Yes, we have clicked, row number is 0. Yes, step in, column name is expense date underscore t, then we have extract out the exact name based on our logic is expense date, and then we have added one ascending here, and then apply it to set sort, and then sort. Look, again clicking here, let me show you the impact. So the logic you need to write. Currently 24 it's descending, and we have added over the click ascending. Make sense? Descending, over the click ascending. Make sense, Mansi?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to write a logic here if we want something achieved within application. Here what I'm doing for you, I'm just giving you idea how we can use some methods, and this is up to you that how you will use in within your application implementation. Okay, any question? Will not go further for this, only some questions will taken care. Any question for filter and sort? No. So we can close this session for now, and mostly we have done, we will start learning by creating applications from the next week. So this week we will do all other concepts, and then from the next week only application creation will be available in class. And we, during application creation, maybe we will learn lot of logics, lot of new methods. Okay. Now we can close this session for now. Thank you. Thanks for your timing.
This conference